Hey, g'day there, it's Craig from KickAss, and let's check out our brand new 200-watt portable folding bifacial lightweight solar panel. Now, hang on a minute, I've put the panel around the wrong way. I'll just quickly put it the right way around so you get a better look at it. There we go, that's better, isn't it? Hang on, what's going on here? We've got solar cells on the front and the back. Let me just make a quick call. Hey Clayton, do you realise you've put solar cells on the front and the back of this panel? All right, thanks mate. Well, let's check out our brand new bifacial solar panel. You ripper. How awesome is solar technology that now we have a portable folding solar panel with cells on the front and the rear. Hence we call it a bifacial solar panel. Now what happens here is the sun is captured by the front of the panel but reflects through it and back up to the rear of the panel. So I'll quickly kill the light so you can see how the sun shines through the front of the panel and then is collected by the rear. Alrighty, let's have a look. So let me grab my work light and I'll quickly show you how the bifacial design works. Now what happens, it works like your typical solar panel capturing all the sun's energy from the front. But what actually happens now is it allows light to pass through the panel as well as picking up the reflected light from the ground and the surroundings. And that way we're getting around about 30% more energy than a normal solar panel. You absolute beauty. So not only do we have your bifacial design, but we also have the TOPCon solar cell technology built in. With 25% more solar conversion, what this means for you in layman's terms is these panels really do kick ass. So you may be wondering, how beneficial is it to have cells on the back of the panel? Well, have you ever woken up in the morning and just looked outside and noticed how bright it actually is with the sun reflecting off the ground? Well, now we actually capture that energy as well as from the front. You absolute ripper. So the bifacial design really comes into its own. Let's say you're camping and going on a day trip. You're going to be almost the full day, but no one's there to position your solar panel to try and get full sun. Well, now at least we can position these in the north, capture all the day's sun through the front, but we're also going to be capturing all that early morning sun through the back of the panel as well. What an absolute ripper. In typical kick-ass quality, we've built these panels to last. With its ETFE protective coating, it's as tough as nails and going to protect from impacts, weather, heat and corrosion, and being IP67 makes it waterproof as well. So it's going to handle all the Aussie weather conditions you can throw at it. Total portability at only 5.3 kilograms. That's right, 5.3 kilograms. And don't forget, we've also got the awesome padded carry bag that also doubles up as a reflective surface for the rear of the panels. You absolute ripper. Check out the heavy duty legs that are hinged, no assembly required, and put your solar panel on the perfect angle. We have an Anderson connector on the back, so it's ready for all your other kick-ass gear. So if you've got a kick-ass battery box with our DC-DC charger on it, it's ready to rock and roll, as well as any of our solar controllers, you name it, our MPPT controllers, it'll plug directly into that. Plug and play, no worries whatsoever. And don't forget also our DC-DC chargers, plug straight in. How cool is that? And don't forget, we also sell a whole range of extension cables to get your solar panel out in the sun and keep you in the shade. Check this out, perfect for our kick charge range for plug and play. Whack her in, and away you go. Check out this, little magnets that hold your panel together, so when you pop them out, they're not going to whack you in the shins. Heavy duty handle makes it nice and easy to transport. Check this out. How cool is that? And check this out, the heavy duty carry bag with its front pocket to put your cables and all your bits and pieces in also doubles as a reflective surface to make your bifacial panel even more effective. You ripper. Well, there you have it, the KickAss 200-watt portable folding bifacial solar panel. Head online or head in store today.